Hello everybody at week 4. Okay, you guys, we got a lot of stuff to do this week and it's not going to be hard, so please be patient with this whole thing. Here's what you got to do. Come over, you're watching the YouTube now, then you're going to come over and read the overview for week 4, which tells you everything that I'm fixing to tell you now in a little more detail. This week we are going to go ahead and begin importing references into the Zotero software that you're getting ready to download. This is how it happens. You go to well, actually there's a tutorial for you, and it'll show you how to download the Zotero software onto your computer. You'll import the references that I taught you how to search for last week in the library page, last week's tutorial 1, and then you'll take those into Zotero and it will spit them back out for you in APA format, so you don't have to mess with it. It's the coolest thing ever. And so that tutorial will show you how to get going on your references. Now, as you're writing a paper, the key thing to remember is what you do is you search for the articles, full text articles in the library that I showed you how to import into the library account, and then you place them into a folder. The folder is sitting there waiting for you to be transformed into APA style, and I show you how to do that in the video. Anyway, I just wanted to mention that it's a cool thing to do while you're looking for your stuff. You keep track of it as you go along, and then if you want to import it as you go along, of course you can switch that stuff to APA. It's some of the stuff that I do just to make a paper writing go a little smoother. Now, in the meantime, we're coming over to this week's homework, so to speak, and it's a discussion. Last week we read the intro to the book and we got some ideas about that whole thing and answered some questions about it. Now you're going to discuss it. You have been placed into one of 3 groups. Each one of you is in a group with 3 other people in it, and each group is going to have a discussion with those 3 group members. Then each person is going to go ahead and independently discuss 2 other topics from the 2 other groups. So each person then is going to be doing 3 total discussions. The first will be with their own group, and the second will be a discussion of their choice with the other groups. So that'll be very easy. If you have any questions, call my cell phone, and thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take it easy.